Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back, Attorney Steve. This video is from the Internet Privacy Files, okay? Internet privacy or just privacy. So let's take a look. I had somebody ask today, this is my iPhone here, and somebody asked me today, is it true that Facebook can track all the websites that you go to and apps that you use and things like that? And I said, well, let's go take a look at it, okay? I mean, first of all, I was a privacy consultant many years ago, 2 decades ago, actually. And I always told people, I said, privacy is pretty much dead. There's very limited privacy rights that people have. There's a new law in California that allows you to collect your data, things like that. We'll talk about that in another upcoming video. Make sure to bookmark us. But I want to show you something in case you haven't seen it. So like Facebook, you know, it's a free app. You're not paying anything for it, okay? So some people go, what? They're collecting my data? Yeah, okay, they're collecting your data. Let's take a look. Click down here. Do you see down here at the bottom with the 3 little bars down here? Just click on that. And sometimes when you're watching Facebook, do you get these personal ads which are a little spooky? You go, wow, how did they know that? This seems so true to home, like it, you know, like they're following me or something. The data creep, as we used to call it back in the days. But let's go take a look here. Here we have, let's go to Steve Vondran. Let's come back down here. Let's go to, scroll down with me. Go to settings. Settings and privacy. Do you see that? Click on that. And then, okay, there's your account settings. Lots of different things. They have so many different things you can look at. Scroll down. Come down here to privacy settings. And then come down here to, let's see here. Let me back that up. I think I made a mistake. It's complicated software. It's getting very complicated. Let's go down here. This is where I meant to go. Off Facebook activity. So they're telling you, this is a disclosure, that there is some off Facebook activity that they are tracking. So go here. You say, okay, well, what is this? I looked here and I said, well, these are a lot of different apps that I use. That are on my iPhone, okay? And you can take a look at it and see what you have, learn more. Let's see, that's not exactly what I wanted. Let's see where, here it is. Manage your off Facebook activity. View activity shared with us by the businesses and organizations you visit off of Facebook. Let's take a look at that. So I come here, wow, I go, okay, this is a summary of 588 apps and websites that shared your activity. So when they talk about all these messages about privacy, can you opt out? You know, do you mind if we share your information? This is what's going on in the tech revolution, the information age. Your data actually has value to people. They learn your habits, they learn who you are, what you like, what you don't like, sites you visit, and that's what's going on here. So, for example, if you have a search engine that you use and they're sharing your information, it may come up in here. So I'm looking over here, I go, wow, I just did Prisma Photo last night. I edited a photo to post to my Instagram. There it is, that was tracked. I don't know if they were actually tracking the actual photo or not, who knows. Tape a call, I opened that app just to look at it yesterday. Spotify, I use Spotify, and looks like there's 12 instances of me accessing Spotify. DoorDash, Quartify, that's a guitar practice site that Attorney Steve uses. And I was like, yeah, I accessed it the other day. I went and looked at 7 different songs to play. There they are, 7 songs. So Voodoo, I love this site. I sent my friend a face swap video the other day, and they're tracking all that. I have a Planes Live flight tracker. They're tracking that. But it's incredible. And you can see all that, and they're disclosing it to you. You can actually shut it down. If you don't like it, it's up to you. Again, I always say that you're getting a free app, and you know, if you don't do anything wrong, you don't have anything to worry about. But you can clear the history, okay? Or just manage your off book. So say you say, clear the history. I'll do it. That's okay. Clear the history. You can see there what's going on. Clear the history. So now it's gone, but you can also disable it. I think in here, more options. Manage future activity. Click on that. Manage future activity. And I'm just going to switch it off for now. This is just for the video. Now I'm going to tell you there are reasons that I actually like to have it on. This is just for the video. And the reasons is I get targeted advertising. Now some people say, well, I don't want that. But I have bought lots of applications and things because Facebook has suggested it. So you have to make the decision for yourself, but you should at least know what's going on. This is what we call privacy. And Attorney Steve was there 20 years ago when nobody knew what I was talking about. But this gives you an idea of how data is being shared, databases of profiles are being made, information traded, and it's all of value, as you can see. Have a nice day. I hope that helps, and stay safe. We'll talk to you soon. For more information, attorneysteve.com, technology, intellectual property law.